Humans often judge various phenomena in the universe by intuition, but what you hear and see may not necessarily be true. Is water in the universe really scarce except on Earth? Or is the Oort cloud truly a perfect sphere? Here are 5 cosmic facts misunderstood by humans. Let's learn about them. The first one, water in space is very scarce. Earth is special because it is a planet with a vast amount of liquid water. So over time, humans have mistakenly believed that water is extremely scarce in the universe. In reality, this is not true, as there are more astonishing amounts of water in the universe. For example, around the quasar APM 08279, there is a vast amount of water. It is the largest reservoir discovered so far, with water content 1.4 quadrillion times that of all the oceans on Earth. But actually, much closer to us, beneath the surface of Jupiter and Saturn's moons, there is a lot of hidden water, and not less than the amount of water on Earth, even several times more. The second one, spherical Oort cloud. The general theory suggests that about 1 light year away, there is a spherical cloud surrounding the solar system. But this is not the case. This cloud, called the Oort cloud, is not a perfect sphere, but presents an irregular teardrop shape. This is according to scientists analyzing data from the New Horizons probe. The inclination of orbits of comets coming from the Oort cloud shows a concentration around 30 degrees, as derived from simulation results. Additionally, according to data from the Gaia satellite, its density towards the galactic center is 5 times that in the opposite direction. This also indicates that the galactic tidal forces are pulling the Oort cloud into this shape. Third, the Sun is stationary in the galaxy. Since the formation of the solar system, it has been depicted as a permanent resident on the Orion arm of the Milky Way. But in reality, what you consider to be stillness is not absolute. Through observations by the Gaia satellite, it was discovered that the solar system is spiraling forward in a wave-like manner towards Cygnus at a speed of 230 kilometers per second. Meanwhile, the center of the Milky Way is also rushing towards the Great Attractor at 600 kilometers per second. And the latest simulation data shows that these two, 3.7 billion years later, the Andromeda Galaxy will collide with the Milky Way. And by then, the solar system may have already moved to the edge of the new galaxy. It seems this deadly chase speed might give the solar system a chance to survive. Fourth, Polaris is the brightest. Due to its special geographic location and relatively noticeable brightness, many people mistakenly believe it is the brightest star in the night sky. But in reality, among all the stars visible to the naked eye, the brightness of Polaris ranks only around 50th. The brightest star in the sky is Sirius, located in Canis Major, with an apparent magnitude of -1.46, exceeding the brightness of Polaris by 2.5 times. Second only to the Moon, Venus and Jupiter, even brighter than Mars. In contrast, Polaris's well-known status is largely due to its importance in navigation, rather than its brightness. 5. The first life in space. Aside from bacteria, when mentioning who was the first life form to fly into space from Earth, a large number of astronomy enthusiasts might simultaneously think of the dog named Laika, wandering the streets of Moscow. Indeed, it was launched into space as early as 1957 with the Soviet Sputnik 2 and became the first animal to enter space in name. However, actually, in as early as 1947, American scientists had already launched several fruit flies into space to assist humans in studying space radiation. So, the title of first in space should belong to these inconspicuous fruit flies. Despite their small size, their status as Earth's life forms cannot be denied.